I'm Deputy Chief Alan Hamilton. I'm the Chief of Detectives for the Los Angeles Police Department. I want to open up first with thanking our law enforcement partners, the hard work done by the Los Angeles Police Department officers, Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department, California Highway Patrol, and numerous other agencies that came in on a mutual aid basis to assist in keeping this city safe. On behalf of the Los Angeles Police Department, we want to thank them for all their hard work, the sacrifice they've done, over these last few days to make this city, this region, and this state safe. Our hats go off to all of our partners that responded when the call went out to assist, arrived in this city within hours, and assisted us in restoring order to this city. The city of Los Angeles is a peaceful and orderly city, and the Los Angeles Police Department will keep it that way. We want to thank our partners in the U.S. Attorney's Office, the District Attorney's Office, and the City Attorney's Office in assisting us on the other side of our investigations with effective and meaningful prosecution and consequences. And as my partners have discussed, these investigations that we have initiated as results of this criminal activity will continue. As I stand here and speak, our investigators are continuing to identify individuals that were involved in violent activity and looting activity in the downtown area, and we will be making additional arrests, and we will be arresting additional suspects and bringing them to justice as well as we have in these cases that we're discussing today. The Los Angeles Police Department supports the right to peacefully protest, but when individuals choose to engage in violence, arm themselves, or endanger others, including officers and community members, we will act and we will seek prosecution. Pointing a laser at an aircraft is not a prank. It's a felony and a serious public safety threat. When a laser hits the cockpit of an LAPD helicopter, it can temporarily blind or disorient the pilot, even at high altitude or at speed. In low-flying urban environments like Los Angeles, this creates an extremely dangerous situation where momentary loss of vision can lead to a crash that puts lives at risk on the ground and with our air crews. This behavior is not only reckless, it can blind a pilot and cause a catastrophic crash. A crash caused by a laser strike could impact homes, traffic, businesses, or peaceful gatherings below. These incidents also jeopardize the safety of officers on the ground who rely on aerial support for real-time intelligence during emergency, crimes in progress, and crowd management. Unfortunately, we're seeing an increase in the use of laser pointers at protests and during incidents where individuals appear to be intentionally targeting law enforcement. This is not accidental or careless. It is often deliberate interference with law enforcement operations, and it has all the hallmarks of criminal intent. In the case of Mr. De La Rosa, the laser was reportedly aimed at the LAPD airship multiple times, demonstrating a clear disregard for human life and operational safety. I will tell you that I was out there that night when that happened at approximately 11 p.m. And I know a lot of people see Los Angeles police officers and other law enforcement agency with the tinted glasses when we're at these protests. We have had law enforcement officers sustain career-ending and life-damaging injuries to their eyes as a result of laser strikes on the ground. So you can only imagine how dangerous it is for an air crew operating hundreds of feet above a crowd, providing timely intelligence and safety to the officers below. That activity will never be tolerated in the city of Los Angeles, and we will always seek to take effective prosecutorial action after arresting those suspects. We want to thank the district attorney for pursuing felony charges in the cases presented today, along with their partners at the U.S. Attorney's Office. These crimes don't advance any cause or further any message at all. What they do is endanger the lives of our officers, harm our communities, our small businesses who are desperately trying to recover in a very challenging atmosphere, and our civic institutions. There was some discussion about the historical buildings down here that have sustained serious damage, and it's just not going to be tolerated in this city. It is not going to be tolerated. I want to commend our detectives, our partners in law enforcement, who are working tirelessly to investigate these cases and bring justice to our city. We remain committed to ensuring Los Angeles is safe for all, and that includes those that want to come to Los Angeles and legally protest in our streets. We will facilitate that to the nth degree and make sure that they have the right to express themselves and express their First Amendment rights. Thank you.